Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you want to keep your CRV floors looking as good as new, then you have to check out these amazing floor mats from TSLDRV. Now, this is a complete set for the entire vehicle. This set comes with 7 different floor mats, so it covers everything from the front to the very, very back. I really love just the durability of these mats. We live in an area that gets snowy, then muddy and yucky, and it automatically turns the inside floors of our vehicle disgusting. But utilizing these floor mats, it makes cleanup a breeze and protects the actual floor of the vehicle. Each mat itself fits the designated space so nicely. What I really love about the front and passenger seat is they literally fit like a glove. It fits in there so nice and tight. I don't notice any wiggling or moving when our feet are down or I'm driving, and I really appreciated that really nice secure fit. I also like that the back seat is one long solid piece. I have a little one who likes to track in dirt and snow. That one solid piece keeps the entire area protected. And let's talk about the trunk. Now, what I specifically was looking for was not only something that protected the bottom base, but also would allow protection if we decided to put the seats down and haul items. These cover the seats individually, so if we only want to lay one seat down at a time, it allows us to do that. Not only was I impressed at how well these fit so seamlessly in the vehicle, but also at the alignment. I needed to cut a little hole for us to use the tether system for a car seat, and that little rectangle on the trunk mat fit perfectly to where we needed that access. I am really happy with this floor mat set. I appreciate that they're easy to clean and very durable, but that's just my point of view.